Welcome back to our restoration project on this Porsche 912. So far we have removed almost all the interior, almost all because the top ceiling is still missing, but everything else is out. Also the dashboard, that's what I'm working on at the moment. Dashboard is also quite complex. I have to say the quality is really nice, but because of the ventilation system, the electronics, there will be lots of challenges to bring everything back. I think I did a lot of pictures enough and also documented everything in the parts catalog, what I'm taking out. But yeah, I'm still scared of this part. That will be complex to put back on. But for now, we first need to get everything out, restore the parts, and putting them back is a problem for next year. So today I finished the dashboard, I take out the gauges, and then, yeah, the cables are left, of course. I need to take out then the tank and, yeah, work my way into the trunk, take everything out there, and then we're left to the engine, which I haven't planned yet to take out, the engine, gearbox, and then the suspension system, and then we're already clean. Well, there will be cables and stuff in the bottom, but yeah, I can see the progress. It's really good. Let's see, it's August 13, and I hope until the end of September or early October I'll finish, so that in November, hopefully we already have the car in the bath and then get it welded through the winter. And then in springtime, April, May, I hope to get it already back painted. Let's see if that plan still works. So next spring we can start already putting stuff together. So we'll see. That's far away. Now I'm focused on dismantling and categorizing everything and documenting everything. And yeah, enjoy the next steps. So this day comes to an end now. I have been busy on the cabling from the inside and from the outside of the trunk in a dashboard. It's quite complicated. I had to make a lot of notes. So I hope I get everything back together. Even though the cables I will not reuse because the cables are really, many are broken. So I will refurbish or redo the whole cable tree. So we have new electronics. That's quite important, I think. There's no need to keep the old one, so I can redo with that. And yeah, we talk later about that when we're going to install it. But at the moment, yeah, I'll just share some pictures and videos of what it looks like at the moment. And next time I'm coming, I will remove the cable all the way, but all the instruments are out. Everything's, yeah, noted down well. So that was quite exhausting. It's also pretty hot. So I'm looking forward to the next task on the suspension and the engine. Maybe this weekend we do the engine. If the engine's out, gearbox out, then there's not so much left to do. And then, yeah, at the moment it's August, and the goal is by the end of October, the car goes into the next phase. That's removing all the paint and the rust, and we do that through a full bath. It will go into a big container with acid or a similar liquid, and that will dissolve the paint so we can spray all of it off, and then we will also see the full surprise and full truth of rust or even yeah, some filler or so. Looking forward to that part. I'll share many details about that process. I'm excited to do that. That means we catch all the rust, even though if it's in a pillar or in a corner or so. And after that, we are going to remove the floor pan and everything else we find, and re-add the floor pans and other metal sheets. And then we go into painting and then starting to reassemble the car, but that's in, yeah, 9 months about. So yeah, let's continue on the journey of the dismantling.